So now that I'm free and on my glasses, I think you can see the ring light. But apparently what I'm trying to say is I wanted to show you guys how I am curling my hair, and I'm doing this no heat curls because of the very fact that it's gonna be summer now. So yeah, it's possible. So let's do it. So there are two things which you're gonna need. One is a lot of rubber bands, like a lot of rubber bands, and the second that you're going to need is a comb. Now FYI, I usually don't like to do it in the night because I'm not a person who's going to wash my hair in the night and sleep. So I'll do it in the morning so that if I have to go anywhere, in the evening, probably I'll be like all set with new hair which are curled up. Okay guys, so this is my hair. Anyways, that was too much, but let's get ready. So all you need to do is, you remember bachpan mein used to tie those chotis? That's exactly what you need to do, and I'm sure you guys know how to do that. But before you do that, you're gonna comb your hair like really straight. So I'm just gonna comb my hair straight. Okay, so I have combed my hair like really straight now with this comb. Now there is one thing, I do not want crunchy curl hair. I want is waves, right? So now first thing you're gonna do is divide your hair into 4 parts. Now if you want, you can divide it into 3. I think I'll do that because I've got really heavy hair. So yeah, my hair are thick, so I'll divide it into 3. If your hair are thin, then you can divide it into 2 parts. Now I've done this one. Now I want is baby hair. Okay, so I am not going to do the normal braids that we used to do in school, but I'll just take this now very tightly. Just do this. Can you see this? Like this. Now I'll just take a rubber band and I will secure it. And when you're securing it, you have to be careful because iske khulne ke chances zyada hote hain rather than a braid, right? So that's why, now see, this will try to open like this, so you need to secure it like that. So what I'm going to do is just take it to the top and rotate it. I'll take another rubber band and I'll secure it too. See, I would always suggest do it very neatly because you don't want your hair to become like very weird, once they're open up. So I will do the same thing I'll make 3 parts here. So this is 1, 2 more here and 3 over here. And this is how it's gonna look. I'm all tied up. So I'll just show you how it looks from the back. Yeah, so the reason I don't do it in the night is because I don't think I can sleep with this. So if I do this in the morning and if I have to go out, like say in the evening, by the time my hair will naturally dry itself, and yeah, I can do my makeup, I can do so many other things in the meantime, and I'll show you guys how it looks after it's done.